Welcome, 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 Desert Disc Planning. If this is your first time here, I'm glad you found me and I found you. If you are returning, I really appreciate the help, and I'm glad that I can influence you and inspire you. I'd rather use the word inspire over influence. I'm glad I can inspire you to come back and want to watch some more videos on how I set up this planner. This is the health section that we are going to be setting up. We are doing 17 through 23. This is undated fitness extension pack that we have here. I'm going to pull it out real quick. Then we are going to use the, hold on, I'm trying to grab, maybe it's not over there. And then we're going to use the Simple Brights for this week's layout. I am participating in an HP Stash Challenge over on Instagram. The theme for this week, which is actually the third week, and this is the third week. So this is all these layouts for this section of the planner are going to be popping up on Instagram. And the theme is Rainbow Dreams. You can use the hashtag HP Stash Challenge, and that is hosted by Creatively Lisa Marie. So I am trying to use a rainbow. I don't have a Rainbow Dreams book, but I have books that have rainbow in them. So I'm using Simple Brights. I'm using memory keeping dates and holidays to put my dates down. So we'll be using 17 through 23 on this one. And let's pull this open and make it work for me. So let's see. I think I'm going to use the Get Busy Girl to go straight across. Like, I just need to cut it. Get Busy Girl. So let's just make sure this is straight. Let's make sure this is also. So Get Busy Girl. Ooh, dashboard. And then we have some notes. So let's just take this big bad boy right here. Let's cover up this note section. So there's that. We're going to use these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's use these dots for the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. One, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to go right there. Find a middle one. All right. Sometimes you feel good about putting stickers down, and sometimes you're just really discouraged. And I'm already liking how this looks. My layouts are more on the rainbow side than they are on the dreamy side. So I don't even know if that is a sticker book. I don't even know if, so 1, 2, and then right here. I don't even, yeah, Rainbow Dreams, I don't know if it's a sticker book. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there it is. So we're going to go straight across and put it right there. So, but I definitely don't have it. So the main point is to use your stash. If you don't have the book that Creatively Lisa Marie has actually posted up, it is perfectly fine. It's not required to make sure that you have it. It's just to take a little bit of brain power out of it, and you don't have to think about it because she already has it set up to be like, hey, so on week 3, this is what book I'm using. It's not like, oh, you have to use it. It's none of that. It's if you have it, use it. And if you want to use something else, by all means, use something else. It's just mainly use your Happy Planner stuff. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using my Happy Planner stuff. All right. And then we have these notes. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm just going to put it there. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it there. I'm going to take the blue one and I'm going to put it there. Then I'm going to flip over here. I'm going to grab this one and put it like, I don't want it to get on Monday. Right there. And then we'll just kind of got on Tuesday. Because this one's snugger. It's snugger. Alright, so there's that. And then we go into some boxes, which, okay, we can use some of these. Or we have gold. It looks like I use a lot of the whatever was right here. So we have 2 of these, 3 of those, a few of those, 2 of these, and some of that. I'm going to use this entire sticker sheet. I'm just going to lay them all over the place. In their designated area, should I say. These are all arrows. So I don't have that color. I have to figure out if I have that color somewhere. And this one. Alright, so that sticker sheet's down. So I don't have, so I need to move the orange over. What I don't have is a peachy color. Oh, we gotta find it. We gotta find it. I might have to use another notes. Here we go. It's Rainbow Dreams. So we're just gonna put that we're lost in a dream. We're lost in a dream. Still need to figure out what to put there. That's what we're gonna do. It's a little awkward, but that's what we're gonna do. And then I'm going to put these in all kinds of weird places, but I don't want any of them to match, I guess, color, because I straight up grabbed that one. Alright, did I get pink? Alright, got that. Just a little extra. That's what that is, extra. Alright, I don't want those. Don't need those. Priority in work. Is that just one? Okay. Let's see. Yay. Happy place. We already did the dots. Get lost. Alright. There's nothing super small. Okay, let's do joy. Alright. I think it looks good. And I hope it is still able to function correctly. Alright, so we have 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Alright. So that's from memory keeping, dates, and holidays. And then we have Simple Brights, which is, here it is. It's from the 17th through the 23rd. In my health section of my planner, we ended up emptying one sticker sheet. So we are on a roll. My goal is one sticker sheet. one sticker sheet at a time. If I do more, that's even better. If I do more, it's even better. So I only have one more week to plan. Again, this is the HP Stash Challenge over on Instagram. For week 3 over on Instagram, it is Rainbow Dreams. So I am taking that whole week, which is this week, 17th through the 23rd, and I am making the post of my entire health section, showing you the books that I'm using, because I do not have Rainbow Dreams, but I tried to keep it as close to Rainbow as I possibly could to stay within, what the hashtag's going to look like. So if you enjoyed watching this video, I really hope you come back to see how I set up the week 4. Matter of fact, I'm going to have to go dig in my stash to figure out what I'm going to use for week 4. But besides that, I'll see you next week if you are enjoying these videos, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.